Hey guys, this is Maria from CanXida's nutrition team, and today's customer question is, what are the healthiest oil on the Candida diet? Oils are mostly made up of 3 different kinds of fat, each having their own effect on health. Saturated fats are found in foods such as beef, coconut oil, and butter. Saturated fats are very heat stable and resistant to oxidation, making them a good choice for cooking. Coconut oil is made up of caprylic acid and lauric acid, which have been shown to be effective against Candida. Besides its antifungal properties, unrefined coconut oil has a wide variety of health benefits, including boosting the immune system, decreasing inflammation, helping digestion, and as a remedy for gum disease and skin infections. Coconut oil is very heat stable, so it can be used to cook, bake, or taken directly as a supplement. In certain people that are predisposed to high cholesterol, it's best to limit saturated fats, instead of focusing more on monounsaturated fats and whole food carbohydrates. Monounsaturated fats are found abundantly in olives, extra virgin olive oil, avocados, and macadamia nuts. Oils rich in monounsaturated fats are liquid at room temperature, but become thick when chilled. These oils are good for long temperature cooking and for adding as a dressing on top of foods. Unrefined extra virgin olive oil contains a type of antioxidant called oleuropein. Oleuropein has many health benefits, including cardiovascular, neurocognitive, and antimicrobial, making it a great ally against Candida. Polyunsaturated fats are found in nuts and seeds, and also refined vegetable oils. Polyunsaturated fats are the most sensitive and least heat stable of all, making them a poor choice for cooking. Consuming oxidized fats triggers a cascade of oxidative damage within the body that damages blood vessels and can lead to the formation of plaque. For this reason, it's best to store nuts and seeds in the refrigerator, moderate baking with nut flours, and avoid cooking with refined vegetable oils. In summary, coconut oil is best used for higher temperature cooking like frying and baking. Olive oil and avocado oil are better suited for lower temperature cooking like sautéing and on salads, and refined vegetable oils such as soybean and canola should be avoided altogether. We hope this answers your question. If you want to contact us for more information, please email us at support@CanXida.com and we will get back to you. At CanXida, your health is important to us.